Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day in my life / really I've been thinking about lately, and it's a day in our life. Now, like usual, I'm gonna bring you around and share all of the food that I ate, what I was wearing, some of the tasks that I did, projects I got done, anything I deemed shareable. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel and it means a lot to me, and it helps me know that you guys like what you're seeing. So with all of that being said, let's hop right in. Hey guys, so I'm popping into this video to let you know about today's sponsor of this video, and that is Ritual. So I think we all know that even on a perfect diet, it can be really hard to get in all of the essential nutrients that we need to be getting in our body on a daily basis. That is why I am such a big believer in vitamins and supplementation. Ritual helps men and women of all ages fill in the gaps in their diet. Probably one of my favorite things about Ritual is the transparency of the ingredients that they use in their vitamin. I'm not just like pro supplements like all vitamins. I think it's really important to find out where the ingredients that are in your supplements are being sourced from and then reading those ingredients. Ritual is vegan friendly, sugar free, non-GMO, gluten free, and allergen free. And their packaging is made with 100% recyclable materials. They also offer a men's multivitamin, a 50+ vitamin, prenatal, postnatal, and teen vitamins. Better health does not happen overnight. Trust me, I feel like I'm the poster child for this, and I just believe this in general, that it takes time to see the positive steps that you're taking really take effect in your life. So Ritual is offering you guys 10% off of your first 3 months. So that's 10% off of your first 3 months of vitamins by going to ritual.com/NikkiP10 and using the code NikkiP10. So thank you again, Ritual, for sponsoring this video. And with all of that being said, let's keep on keeping on. This container is actually from a company called T2, I think, and I bought it when I visited England a few years ago, but this is actually an Australian brand. I didn't use it for a long time, but lately I've been brewing a large batch of tea every like 2 days and then keeping it in the fridge, often with the tea bags. Like I'll just add some more tea to this pitcher and extend its life. On this day, I brewed the green cherry blossom iced tea from Coffee Bean. Side note though, I'm ordering a book on how to grow and make your own tea, so there might be some exciting times ahead. Per the usual, this is basically just a recipe that I found off Pinterest that I slightly alter. I will film it and share it soon, but if you like the food that I make, you should definitely follow me on Pinterest because I pin a lot of things that give me inspiration over there. So I thought I would step into the greenhouse and give you a little update of all of the seeds that are sprouting. Things are actually going really well in there right now. I've been so surprised to wake up on some really cold mornings and feel how well this greenhouse has retained its heat. I'm actually like really surprised. By the way, guys, I kind of have crazy news. We're gonna call her Big Red. That's just like instinctually what I've been wanting to call her lately, has started laying eggs. One of our chickens' development kind of slowed down after being attacked by a raccoon, unfortunately, and the other one we think is getting pretty close to laying eggs as well. So I will definitely keep you guys posted.
Dan told me to let the chickens out, and then he said, go check the egg box. And I said, Dan, you know there's no eggs there. You already know where this is going. Yeah, I just got done squealing with delight because, oh my gosh, our first eggs. I bet it came from you, huh? You are the one with the brightest red gobble gobble. Come here. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so unbelievably excited right now.
I will say, cutting this bread is quite the ordeal. It's crusty bread, and crusty is almost like an understatement. It is very hard to cut through. And I think because it's gluten-free, obviously, just in general, that makes it more dense. If it was easier to slice, I would definitely slice thinner slices. So I've been eating a lot of hard-boiled eggs lately. So I was out and decided to hard boil a whole carton and then cut up some toast on the side with some olive oil, salt, chili pepper flakes, and have a little snack while I watched the Daily Connoisseur's video on the Jane Austen diet. I actually think this video was about intermittent fasting in general. I really like Jennifer's channel. Her whole channel really has that like Philippians 4:8 vibe. It's a verse about meditating on things that are true and noble and pure and lovely, and that's Jennifer's channel. So it's kind of weird that I haven't done like a full-on actual morning routine, and lately I've been thinking that I should, because even though I talk a lot about how every day is different, and to some extent it is, at the same time we have so many like repeated rhythms and really routines that go on in our life, and especially lately in terms of Logan's nap and the order in which like I snack, eat brunch, get ready, all of that. Oh, by the way, I had been pumping when I was making the bed, so at this point I just needed to wash out my parts and let everything dry to prepare for the next pump, because at this point I am still pumping anywhere from 5 to 7 times a day, although really it's more like 5 or 6. 7 is more of a rarity for me now. So days where I want to wear some makeup, but not much, this is kind of what I reach for. I grabbed this CC Red Correct. It's like a green cream sunscreen situation, and I put a little bit of that on areas of my face that are red. I used this Ilia Color Haze pigment in the color Waking Up on my cheeks. I used a little bit of this Paracone mascara as well as this Hourglass brow gel situation. I really like this stuff. Oh, and this lipstick from Ilia is amazing. It's so hydrating. It's really clean ingredients, and the color is just lovely. And there I am, posing, modeling, a little awkwardly, but we'll just roll with it. By the way, the waves that are in my hair were the waves I was left with after sleeping with my hair in braids. That's a whole other thing. I really want to do an updated hair care routine video, because I've been doing a lot of like specific things for my hair, and some of them I've been doing long-term for a while, and I just haven't really talked about it. So anyways, also I was FaceTiming with my mom at this point. We were having a very lively conversation. I snack on hard-boiled eggs and some kind of fruit in my toast multiple times a day. By the way, that's a coconut butter. That's why it looks kind of funny on the bread. Oh. Gentle.
He's gonna peck. Oh.
This drink, by the way, is so tasty. It's a sparkling probiotic tonic with wild berry, bergamot, and just a bunch of yummy ingredients. So on this night, we decided that we wanted to have burgers and Brussels sprouts on the side. So I cut up my Brussels sprouts in half, and then we threw them on the pan with a little bit of olive oil, white wine. We cooked the Brussels on a medium heat and would flip them as they were cooking to make sure each side was kind of evenly cooked. And then once they were close to being done, we threw in a bunch of balsamic vinegar, some fresh garlic, salt, and pepper. This jalapeno, by the way, is from our garden. Very exciting times. So yeah, this dinner was as good as it looks. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to check the info box for today's in-video giveaway. Also, thank you again to Rituals for sponsoring this video. For 10% off of your first 3 months of vitamins, check the info box down below. And that's it. I will hopefully see you guys back here soon with another new video. Bye guys.